How to delete ideas for you on Pinterest. So if you want to delete the ideas for you on Pinterest, then what you need to do is just open up your Pinterest application. Once you open up your Pinterest, now if you go with the search, then here you will have ideas for you section. Now if you want to delete ideas for you on your Pinterest, then you just need to simply go with the profile, which is on the bottom right, go with the upper right, which has that 3 dots, and tap on the settings, tap on home feed tuner, and then you need simply go with history section. Here under pins, interest, boards, and following, you will have the history section, but you can also go with the interest section. And now you can simply untap it. Once you untap, then those things will not be shown in your home feed. Now you can go back and then you can go with search and reload your page, and you'll have other things. So that's how you can delete your ideas for you on your Pinterest. That's the only way. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.